Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can commit in GitHub. So first things first, we are going to head over to github.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged in, or you're going to have to create an account first. Now, once you're in, it will take you to your dashboard or your home page. From the home page, we're going to click on the profile icon right here, and then we're going to click on repositories from the drop-down menu that'll appear. Of course, before we can commit to GitHub, we have to create a repository first. So make sure that you already have a repository available. So once you're done choosing your repository, you're going to click on it, and then from there we are just going to see this information page. Now, in order for you to create a commit, I'm going to first show you where you can find it. So as you can see here, I have 4 commits already. If you just click on that, 4 commits basically means all of the history or the changes that you have made in this project, and I already have 4 commits right here. I have changed 4 different versions. So we're gonna head back and I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that. So from the GitHub, how you can create a commit or you can do a new commit is by clicking on add file right here. So you're just going to click on add file, and you can either upload a file or you can also create a new file. So I'm going to do this from the GitHub itself. I'm going to click on create new file, and then from here we're just going to name our file at the top. So let's say this one is a test commit file, and as you can see, it will be added into our main branch. Then from there, you can see this large body of text right here, or this large box. You are going to make sure that you're in the edit tab. You're going to enter your file contents right here. So for example, I'm going to type in new test commit right there. And then after that, you're just going to click on commit changes right there. And then you can add a commit message right here. So let's say I added a new text or a new file. Now from there, you can also add an extended description right here. And then you are just going to make sure that you click on commit directly to the main branch. Or if you want to add this commit to a different branch, you can just click on this one. But for this one, I'm going to just click on commit directly to the main branch. And then I'm going to click on commit changes. Now, once that is saved, you will be able to see we have now created a new commit right there, and we now have 5 commits. And that's it. That is how you can create a new commit on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.